Hi everyone. Today I'm with my friend Guy and we're going to talk about a great exciting news. We're going to talk about our new book. We wrote a book in duo together and it's just out on Amazon. Guy.
We explain in this book our protocol from healing from cancer stage 3 for Fred and stage 4 for me. And our book is already bestseller in French on Amazon in 2-3 days. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
And if you want to know more about our protocol, we will put below the Eric Berg's interview from Fred and from me. And like this, you will know exactly what we did. But please read these books. This book can save lives.
Yeah. It's interesting because we both wrote books before on our cancer adventure, if we can call it like that. But this one is very special because not only we combine our knowledge and experience, but we compare it. And I think that's the comparison between what you did and what I did that is so interesting for people because we did 90% the same thing, but the little 10%, that's something that a lot of people argue on outside of the two of us. Should we eat meat when we have cancer? Does red meat cause cancer? Can I eat this? Can I eat that? Should I eat fruit? Should I not eat fruit? And we're trying our best. We're not doctors. We're not biologists, but from our own experience, we're trying our best to answer those questions and to tell you what we did and why we did it.
And we know, both of us, that there are not only one way to heal from cancer.
Exactly. And I think, we were talking about it a few days ago together with Guy. It's almost like religion. I graduate in a comparative religion study, and I've always looked at religions in a way where I'm trying to see what are the similarities. Instead of looking at the differences and fighting each other's, I'm right, you're wrong, my God is better, your God is better. For me, that doesn't make any sense. But if you start looking at the common points, at the similarities, you start seeing a trend, you start seeing a link between all those philosophies and religious beliefs throughout human history. And it's exactly the same thing for health, and it's exactly the same thing for cancer. We know cancer is multifactorial, therefore healing has to be multifactorial. And there is more than one solution. I ate red meat every single day, and I believe it participated in saving my life.
Good red meat.
Yeah. Of course, it was always the highest quality red meat I could afford. So organic, if possible, 100% grass-fed, grass-finished. That's a given for me. And yeah, I believe high-quality red meat can help people who are trying to get as healthy as possible. Now, I know plenty of people who are vegan and are in perfect health. So there's more than one path. There is more than one way. And that's what we discuss in this book.
But we agree on one thing: no fruit during the healing part of the cancer.
Yeah, absolutely. No sugar.
Too much sugar.
Yeah. We agreed, and we that's what we did. That's what we did. The two of us is we didn't have any sugar, any carbs until we were healed. And even after that, we are still very cautious. Even though we allow ourselves a cheat day once in a while, I personally have a little bit more fruits during the summer, but we're still very cautious and careful. But for as long as we had an active tumor, we, without knowing each other, did pretty much the same thing. Zero sugar, or as close as possible to zero sugar, no carbs, no bread, no pasta, nothing. A lot of raw vegetables with active principles, and fish for you, meat for me. That's basically what we did. Plus, of course, all the supplements and the breathing and the stress management that we talk about in the book. Please read the book. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people. And if you have any question after reading it, post them in the comment below that video, and we'll be happy to help you as much as we can.
And eat a lot of cruciferous and a lot of garlic.
Agreed. Everyone have a great day, and Guy, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.